You might think onions are only good for cooking, and I admit they do add delicious flavor and spice to almost every dish. But onions can also be used for medicinal healing and are especially helpful for curing those nasty cold and flu symptoms. These natural remedies are popular in folk medicine because they're antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory, all of which help support the immune system during cold and flu season. Onions contain quercetin, which reduces the severity of symptoms and speeds up recovery. And here's a tip. Any onion will work. However, the red and yellow onions contain the highest levels of quercetin, making them more effective. The following natural remedies should cover every stage and symptom of a cold or flu, and they are all easy to make. Number 1 is onion syrup. It soothes a sore throat, reduces coughing, and helps clear mucus from the respiratory tract. To prepare, peel and chop 1 large onion and place it in a jar. Add 2 tablespoons of honey and let it sit overnight. In the morning, strain the mixture and take 1 teaspoon of the syrup every few hours. Number 2 is onion tea. Drinking onion tea can relieve congestion, ease coughing, and provide overall comfort. The sulfur compounds in onions help reduce inflammation and fight bacteria in the throat. Prepare the tea by boiling a peeled and chopped onion in about 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the onion liquid and drink it as a tea. Add a teaspoon of honey or lemon juice to enhance the taste, and drink this tea twice a day. This also works well as an onion gargle for a sore throat. Use it as a gargle as needed. Number 3 is an onion mustard poultice. As a cold or flu progresses, it often leads to chest congestion that can settle deep within the lungs. Onions, with their sulfur content, help draw out the mucus and break up this congestion. A mixture of onions and powdered mustard is even more effective in relieving this discomfort. The onions are anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, while the dried mustard stimulates circulation and clears mucus, making this combination a powerful remedy for easing congestion. To make and apply this healing mixture, chop a large onion and then briefly sauté it until soft, or microwave it. Mix with 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered mustard. Spread this mixture onto a clean, slightly porous cloth such as a cheesecloth. Fold it and make sure it's warm and not too hot. Place the poultice on the chest and cover with a towel and a heating pad for 15 to 20 minutes. The healing compounds absorb into the lungs, and the aroma will help you to breathe more easily, clearing your sinuses. Check for skin irritation, which can occasionally occur if you have sensitive skin. Number 4, onion eardrops. Occasionally, a cold, flu, or allergy can result in an ear infection, and onions can be helpful for that as well. Onions are naturally antibacterial, which can help clear the infection, and they work surprisingly fast, bringing relief and comfort quickly. Put a whole onion in the oven for about 15 minutes at 450 degrees. You can also place it in the microwave if you prefer for a few minutes. Either way, you want the onion to be soft before removing it. Wait for the onion to cool and then cut it in half. Squeeze the juice into a cup. Strain it. Just be sure to remove everything but the juice. Use an eyedropper and apply a couple of drops into the ear. Leave it in for about 15 minutes, then remove. You can treat the ears up to 3 times per day. Incorporating onions into your cold or flu remedies can offer natural relief from symptoms like congestion, cough, and sore throat. Next time you feel a cold or flu coming on, consider reaching for this humble vegetable to help speed your recovery. For more tips on natural healing and better health, watch this video next.